Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos on VGGFace model such as face detection, face recognition, face match, face verification. We have seen lot of videos. Face recognition using MTCNN and VGGFace model and many more. In many videos I have used MTCNN with face VGGFace model. I have used MTCNN with FaceNet also. I have used MTCNN with OpenCV also. Today's video is really interesting and creative. Today we are going to see one in all face detection, face match and face verification. So first of all we will see the face detection. I will be passing as an argument image. Let's see what happens. First part, face detection. Yes. Now face verification, face match. Python 3. I am passing two arguments, two faces to check face match. Yes, face match is there. Fine. Face match is there. Now third part, face verification. Oh shit. Please be patient. Yes. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. Okay. Yes, face match is there. So I successfully done with face detection, face match and face verification. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on face detection, face recognition, face verification and in different style with more videos on machine learning, TensorFlow, Keras, then MTCNN, VGGFace, CNN, DLIB, FEAR, DFace. We have seen plenty of videos on DFace also, and our latest previous video was on DFace only. That is face recognition using browser. I have used DFace model with VGGFace model. So for latest update about machine learning using Python, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.